to my channel. If you are new here, I am Cambria. I make videos on pretty much anything beauty related. So if you're interested in seeing those from me, then go ahead and subscribe. I am doing this look, which is a brown and orange smoky eye for date night. So if you're interested to see how I got this completed look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my face with the Polish Choice Resist Smoothing Primer. Really like this primer because it makes your skin really smooth, and it has SPF in it. It has SPF 30, I believe. Yeah, SPF 30 in it. I usually give this at least 60 seconds before I go in with my foundation. So I will be right. So now that that is all set, I am gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics Liquid Naturally Flawless Liquid Foundation. You guys, if you have been following me on Instagram and seen some of my other videos, you know that I am loving this foundation right now. And I wear it in 218 Warm Honey. I'll be using my Real Tech brush to blend it in. So all I'm going to do is actually apply it onto the brush. Sometimes I do this, you guys, sometimes I don't. To go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. I'm currently out of my creamy beige, so I'm using this one down. So here I am using my cosmetic sponge and a little bit of the e.l.f. primer mist so that it wets the sponge a little bit, and I am just blending out everywhere that I did the concealer. Tonight I am going to do a double contour look. So I will be doing liquid and powder, liquid foundation. This is their old packaging, and I think it's a little bit of a different formula too. I'm not sure. If you guys know, let me know. But this one they don't sell anymore. It's just the Naturally Flawless one that they have. I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush, and then I'm just going to do a little bit of contour. Here I am just taking the Real Techniques brush, and I'm just blending out everywhere that I applied that contour. That is all blended in. I am going to go ahead and set the light and dark areas. So for my lighter areas, I am going in with the Revlon Colorstay, and this is in 840 medium. I'm using my Jaff brush. I think I got these from Amazon. I'm pretty sure that I did. So I'm just going to take that, and I am going to set in the lighter areas. Use my L'Oreal Colorstay. Y'all know I dropped this and it cracked. So sad about that. This is True Match C7. I am taking another Jaff brush. This one, you guys, they don't have any numbers or anything on them. And I am going to set all of the dark areas. I'm gonna go in with my NYX matte bronzer. Boop. Let me do it so you guys could see my NYX matte bronzer, and I am going to intensify that contour that we were doing earlier. So I'm taking this smaller brush, and I am going to deepen up the nose contour. My cosmetic sponge, and blend it out some more. Okay, so I am going to bake my under eyes with the Ben Nye, let's see if we can do it right there. There we go. The Ben Nye Colorless Powder Neutral Set while I do the eyes. Y'all, this is a struggle because it gets everywhere. That's why my last video, I definitely had Ben Nye powder everywhere. Let's just get that off. While the under eye is baking, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm using Nude. And I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow primer, because we are going to start on eyes. For this tutorial, I am using the BH Cosmetics 42 or Ultimate Matte palette. I used this in my blue eyeshadow tutorial that I recently did too, and I really like it. With this color here, I'm gonna start building out the crease because I like to start lighter. I like to start lighter and then build up to darker. So I'm gonna go in with that light orange and start building out the crease. Next to it, this one here. I'm loving this palette so far. The colors are really rich and really, really pretty. I'm gonna go in with this one. It looks a lot brighter on camera, but it's not that bright. So I'm going to just buff out above that crease color that we just did. This rich brown right here, and continue to build out that outer corner into the crease. A little bit more of this color here, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner, and I want that to be really, really deep on the outer corner. Just gonna place it right there. This really pretty orange right here. I'm actually gonna mix a little bit of this dark brown and this black, and I'm gonna buff out in the corner a little bit more. Then I'm going to go ahead and wipe off the baking that we're doing. Take my BH Cosmetics liquid eyeliner and make a winged line. And it'd be pretty dramatic because it's date night, so why not make it a little bit dramatic? So I went ahead and finished my liner off camera, and now we are going to go in and buff out the bottom. I usually do that after lashes. If you guys follow me, you know that, but I am going to go ahead and do it beforehand. So I am going to use every color that I used on the top, well, the main ones, the main colors that I used on the top, and buff them on the bottom. I'm going to do the deeper brown first, so I'm going to go back and mix these two colors that we did for the top, and I'm going to do that in the outer corner of the bottom half of the eye. Hopefully that made sense, you guys. So the outer corner of the bottom half, so here, and I'm just going to pull that in. I always pull it into about halfway. You don't have to do this part if you don't want the under eye very smoky. You could just leave the top as we had it. Very pretty orange. I didn't take anything off my brush because I still want that same smoke kind of look and to blend it in. So then I'm taking this color and I'm going in the middle, and I'm blending it with the other color so that it's a nice seamless transition from one shade to the next. So it looks like that on the end. I'm taking that and I am going to do this shade, that really pretty bright orange. And I really want that orange to pop and kind of glow a little bit, since if you're going on a date, you want to look a little bit glowy. So I am going to go in with the, you guys, I can never open this palette. I love this palette. I can never open this Tarte palette. So this is the Tarte Pineapple of My Eye. I am going to go in with this gorgeous gold shade right here. And I'm going to blend it a little bit with the one next to it. The names are on the back, but I just don't feel like looking. So I'm taking that same brush, and we're going to blend these two colors, and we're going to go right over that other orange that we just did. And this is to just make it pop and sparkle. That's the sole purpose of this part. And I'm bringing it into the tear duct. Before we finish off this look, I'm going to apply my blush. I'm using the Tarte Pineapple of My Eye. I'm going to use this color. And then for my highlight, I'm going to use this color. Try to put the names of the products in the description box below, because it does say it on the back. So I'm just going to quickly apply that. Go in with this shade here, and I'm going to do it right on top. Finish off the look with lips. I'm going to quickly go apply my lashes off camera, but I do want to show you guys which ones that I am using, and they are, just got these ones from Amazon, and I've ordered these before. I really like these. These are the Christina Wispy 100% Human Hair in black. So I'll try to link these in the description box below. I really like these. So let me go and apply these, and I will be right back so that we can finish the rest of the look. Okay, so my lashes are on. I really like these lashes, you guys. They're semi-glam, they're not too glam, but they're very lightweight. Sometimes with lashes, the band can feel a little bit heavy, or, you know, gets a little bit weird midday, but these ones I really like because the band is invisible and it's lightweight. So these are my go-to ones. I can wear them every day or for a glam look. I really like these ones. So to finish off the look, I am using my BH Cosmetics. I just realized I'm using a lot of BH Cosmetics in this video. I just recently got a lot of stuff from them, so I'm trying it all out. So I'm using their 24, I don't even think it's called 24 hour. They're waterproof. It does last a very long time. In Earth. Look for the lips, I'm actually just going to do a really nice glossy finish. I usually do matte. I love matte. I am a matte girl. That's just what I like. But I wanted to do something a little bit different for this look, so I am going to Rimmel London, and this is their, I can't even read it. Up to 6 Hours Shine Lip Gloss. Stay Glossy. And this is the shade Dorchester Rose. And that's it, you guys. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and completed look, and I hope you go on a date night soon. If you end up doing something similar, tag me on Instagram so I can see your guys' beautiful looks at Beauty by Cam's Couture. And until the next video, bye guys.